Understanding Validity Check, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase in English, validity check. Understanding this phrase is not only helpful for language learning, but it's also crucial in many professional and academic contexts. So, let's dive in and learn about validity check together. Validity check refers to the process of verifying whether something is accurate, authentic, or legitimate. This phrase is commonly used in various fields, including technology, research, and everyday scenarios. In simple terms, when you do a validity check, you are making sure that something is true and can be trusted. 2.1 in technology. In the world of technology, a validity check might involve ensuring that data or software is functioning correctly. For example, a programmer might perform a validity check on a new app to ensure it's free of errors. 2.2 in academic research. Researchers often use validity checks to confirm that their studies are conducted properly and that the results are reliable. This could mean checking the accuracy of data or the appropriateness of research methods. 2.3 in everyday life. You might also encounter validity checks in everyday situations, like verifying the authenticity of a news article or ensuring a credit card transaction is secure. Understanding and performing validity checks is crucial because it helps maintain accuracy and trust. In a world where information is abundant, being able to discern what is true and reliable is more important than ever. Whether you're dealing with data, research, or daily information, knowing how to do a validity check can make a significant difference. We hope this video has helped you understand what a validity check is and why it's so important. Remember, whether in technology, research, or our daily lives, performing validity checks helps us stay informed and make better decisions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful English language learning videos.